Hello students, welcome to the next video tutorial on problems of isometric projections. Second question, draw the isometric view of an equilateral triangle of 40 mm side with a side horizontal and the plane of the triangle being vertical. Now here you have to observe from the previous question is first one, isometric view. Previously the question was for isometric projection. There we have used the scale factor of 0.82 and we have drawn the dimensions of reduced length and shown just original number, the original value of the dimension. But here if you remember, the difference between isometric projection, isometric view is, right, we are supposed to consider the original number for isometric view. That is nothing but your 40 mm itself. No need to reduce it. That is the first one. Equilateral triangle, you know how to do that. But one more thing here with respect to its position, right? With a side horizontal, triangle will have three sides. One side is horizontal, he is mentioning, and plane of the triangle being vertical. See, plane is nothing but here this one plane being vertical, right? Here if you draw a triangle, one side is horizontal and the plane is vertical towards you, parallel. That's what here is mentioning. Right, coming to the solution of this. First of all, we are supposed to draw the original figure or drawing of the triangle. What is that equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. A, B, C. Original dimension, it is of 40 mm. Now think here, previously the isometric projections we have taken and compared with this our principle of isometric projection, cubes concept. We have iso left, iso right, iso top. Now here you are supposed to remember, previously they were resemble of rectangle, square of this box and we have directly fit into that particularly. But here now triangle is different. How to draw that? For this you are supposed to use box method. What is that? Box method. We are supposed to generate a box about this particular plane, try to resemble it with iso left, iso right and iso top, draw its isometric views in three, iso left, iso right and iso top, two vertical planes and one horizontal plane. See how to construct the same, try to draw box. Whatever the triangle, after completing its original dimensions, around it try to draw a box. These two corners as usual AB, and now I am doing it as 1, 2. Now AB 1, 2 is a box, right, which you can easily resemble like iso left, iso right and iso top. In that we are supposed to draw what you call your isometric views. Now how to start first? Now think here, one thing you are supposed to remember, this box will have two lengths, length and breadth. Length 40 is as usual same as the side of the triangle, but this one it's a question mark. Depending upon your original figure, there will be some dimension number, you have to use that one. Now coming to this, after drawing, see isometric view length is nothing but it's equal to true length. True length is nothing but 40. Now iso left and iso right. Simple, you can a vertical plane with respect to iso left I am drawing. Take a reference point. Probably iso left means starting with B point reference. Now with respect to B point reference, what I am doing here is vertical 30 degrees. I am drawing a box. See, draw a 30 degrees line. BA of what dimension length? Equal to 40. Height, you know, this length has to be measured and you have to draw this. Now here also it's clashing, no problem. A, B, whatever this 1, 2, it's a box. Now in this box we are supposed to draw your equilateral triangle. Now B as usual, A point as usual. Now C will be at the midpoint of 1, 2. Just put it the midpoint. Now draw AB, but here this point is C, BC, CA. Finally, you can see this isometric view, left view of an equilateral triangle, right, by using box method, which is very important, right? It's not like other vertical square and rectangle previously we have drawn. Same way, next iso right, same way, take line, draw the reference point. It's for your convenient purpose to use protractor. Now here iso right means we are supposed to draw a 30 degrees line, a height of this dimension. You don't know the dimension, you have to show this. Right here 30, original dimension of 40. Use 40. Right? I have not shown for this, you have to use 40. Same here also, height. Close that. Now with reference to which point we have drawn? Towards this point, right, towards left point. A, capital B. C is somewhere at middle. Now these 2 points will be now A, B, 1, 2. Now think here, now try to complete your equilateral triangle in the iso right plane. AB, BC, CA. Doing other shaped planes by using isometric views by the help of box. Now dimensions, AB it is 40 original, isometric view, no diminution. Now here it is 40. No need to show this high dimension. Why? Because we are using just for reference that box, not regular answer for that. So this side will be 60, equilateral triangle. Same way, iso top, we have vertical. With respect to vertical, we have drawn iso left and iso right. With respect to iso top, you know both will be 30 degrees. I am starting with reference to A. Right? I am taking a small reference. Right? I am taking this reference as capital A. 30 degrees towards left side, 30 degrees towards right side. Draw parallel to this line, draw parallel to this line. Now A, B, 1, 2. That's the box we have constructed first. But after the box construction, where is the C? C is at the middle. Here you have A, B, C is at middle. Finish it, complete it, or write A, B, B, C, C, A. Right, that is now original dimension. Here I can show it as 40. Iso left, iso right, iso top. Iso left view you can write below that, iso right view, iso top view. See here, previously if you remember from the first problem, we discussed the rectangle may happen with respect to horizontal as two things, using length and breadth exchange. Here also you can do the same, right? 40 here with respect to A came right side. Now 40 with respect to B comes left side. But think here, as it is not mentioned anything in the question, so you can directly use only three views: iso left, iso right, and iso top. Simple answer. Remember what is the difference between the previous problem and this problem is box method. You have to take the help of this for all the respective coming next questions for drawing different types of shapes like pentagon, hexagon, etc. etc. Now think you remember isometric view. Isometric view means use the original dimension, nothing more than that. Right? Original figure, iso left, iso right, iso top. Try to draw them all in one line or up and down. We will get a new neat look and new good answer. Clear? We will continue with the next class in the next video tutorial. Thank you.